Have you ever wondered why welding creates such bright sparks?
It starts when electric current passes through the gap between the electrode and metal, creating a powerful welding arc. This arc produces extreme heat, instantly melting the metal and creating a smooth molten pool. Precise heat control allows the molten metal to flow evenly and combine perfectly with the workpiece. As the metal cools down, it creates a strong and durable connection for demanding applications. A reliable welding machine provides stable current output, smoother arcs, and better welding results.